Hi guys, welcome to another video, man. Thank you for coming once again. And if you are new to the channel, man, you are not in the wrong place. I'm trying to be as consistent as I can, and I'm really, I promise you, I'm dropping very informative content. So if you haven't watched other videos, man, make sure to go and watch them after this one. Very informative, man. It's worth your time. I promise you. If it's not, then comment down below in the comment section, man. But I doubt I'm gonna get any of those, because I know, man, that the content that I'm putting out there is valid because it helped me. So hence I'm putting it out there, because I understand if it was able to help me, then so it can do with other people, right? So guys, yeah, man, gold, right? So gold, we are going to be analyzing it for the week that we are approaching, which is the 11th of October till the 15th, right? So I thought maybe I already done a video for a weekly perspective on gold and GJ, US 100, US 30, and which one is this one? And I just forgot, but yeah, man, I already done it, but because I'm a gold trader specifically, I was like, no, man, that was not good enough. Let's just try to break it down a little bit. So on the weekly time frame right here, right, this is a weekly time frame, by the way, guys. Let me show you. This is a weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame, this is how gold looks like, right? So this is the highest point gold has ever been ever since, and I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm just trying to indicate it. This is the highest point that gold has ever been, ever since. Gold has never been that high ever since I was born, right? That's the highest ever since. Also, if you know, you started trading maybe around 2010, because I know a lot of traders, those gurus, they say they started around 2010, you know, ever since that time. So the last high was around 1908, and this current high was 208, right? So this is the current most high on gold, and this is the current most recent low, right? So that's the highest and that's the most recent low. So what are we looking at here is that gold currently looks like it's ranging, right? Because this is the low and that is the high, and gold is not yet close to any. Well, it tried to come so many times. You can look with that candlestick, that weekly one, it came, and then with this one it came and couldn't break, it went up. And then with this one, I remember when we had that drop, I think the fundamentals hit by that time, it just went down and came back up. So it just tested and then it came back up, so which is then telling us that there's the strong level of support right here. Because if you can look, just to cater for it, this, by the way, is a weekly time frame. I usually don't analyze the weekly, but just for the sake of it, man, let's do it, right? We have nothing to lose at this moment. So if you look at it, this was a previous resistance, right? And then it got broken and became a newly formed support. And now that it was a support, when it got broken, it became a newly formed resistance. It resisted, and then it got broken again with this black doji right here. It became a newly formed support, and then it's been supporting ever since, right? Even though it tried to break, but it keeps on supporting, and currently we are above that support. So my bias on gold at the moment will be strong buys, right? Currently I am looking for strong buys at least up to this level. I'm looking to go bullish on gold, right? Because I'm trading pure price action, by the way, guys, and I'm going to drop a strategy on pure price action. I believe it's going to be the next, or the video after the one that I'm going to post next, because I have other videos pending, right? So this is my target, right? And it's a lot, guys. This is a weekly time frame, and this is a weekly time frame. It's a lot of money if you think about it. So yeah, we don't want to be greedy, man. So now that we've seen what it looks like on the weekly, I believe it's safe for us to then go to the daily time frame, you know, just to get more detail on how the charts really look, even on the daily, right? Let me try to do them like this. I want you guys to see the candlesticks more clean. Okay, yeah, I guess that's a bit I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure. Okay, I think I got it right, man. Yeah. So this is how then the daily time frame looks like, right? And from the weekly, we were able to spot these levels right here, these levels right here, and that level up there. So I said to you, this is the lowest that gold, this is the highest gold has ever been, ever since. So if gold can break that level, man, we should be sure for a fact that we are going bullish for gold. So for as long as gold is not near that level, do not pay attention. It's still currently in a range. It's not yet. You can still play with it in here. But if you want to swing trade for a long term, like I mean, not even swing trade, but position trade, maybe hold it for a year, it must first break this level right here, right? But it's not yet close there. Not even halfway close there, right? And this is the lowest. If gold can break this low right here, if gold can break this low, man, I'm telling you, you should be opening positions on gold, position trading, swing trading, whatever it is, but you should be holding that, because once it breaks that level, I mean, there's no hope, man. Structure is structure, and if it broke the structure, then it has to continue with what it came with, right? So now on gold, on the daily time frame, really there's not much to look into, except for we are seeing what we saw on the weekly just a bit more clearer. We can see we have a lot of candlesticks, and for those who don't know how I draw my trend lines, another video is going to drop soon on trend line, and I believe I already have one. I don't know if I posted it or not, but I do believe I have, man. Check. I'll post this video and go check it out, man. So yeah, man, these are my trend lines, and it's a channel. You see, I had a touch there, and currently I have a lot of things that I don't understand with the current market movement. Here I had a touch, and I had another third touch here, which I remember taking a buy. It was around March. I remember clearly I took a buy, and yeah, man, this is how the daily time frame looks like. And remember, guys, we do not make we do not decide where the market goes next, but instead we can try to follow that. When it goes there, what can we do to maximize from it, right? So here is a possibility here. Actually, the market can either go up, down, or sideways, right? The market now, from here, guys, from here, I'm expecting the market to go bullish, right? But now let's say the market doesn't go bullish as I expect. What's another scenario that I could be possibly expecting? So you must look at it clearly. We have this as a low, right? On the current, on the most, this one is for, okay, let me go to the 4 hour. Okay, no, it's okay. Let me just show you on the 4 hour what I mean by that. Let me try to, yeah, nope. Yeah, I'm saying this right here, but this right here is our current low, right? So if ever the market has to show me a bearish, for me to confirm a bearish move, it has to break this low, right? And let's go back to the daily, because the 4 hour, it looks a bit dirty, man. So for those who trade in patterns, I can say this is an inverse head and shoulders. This is a shoulder, this is a head, and that is another shoulder on the daily time frame. I don't trade patterns, but for y'all who trade them, this looks like an inverse head and shoulders to me. So for me, I'm saying the market, for us to make money, it either goes up, goes down, or sideways, right? But as it moves in that manner, how do we then maximize from it and make money from it, right? I'm trying to get it to have my candles a bit clearer. So I'm expecting currently, my bias is on bullish move. I'm really looking forward for bulls right at this moment. But if ever it happens that the market doesn't give us that, right? It should break this level, this green level here, break below, retest obviously this small support over there, and maybe come back, and then I'm gonna buy sell it from here on that retest, and then I sell it all the way down, right? Or maybe this scenario like this, it doesn't happen that way. There is another possible chance that instead of retesting on that green level, it can just break here and then retest on this one, and then retest, and then from there I'm going to take a sell straight up to there, right? So if the sorry for that, up to that level, right? So that's what I'm looking for on gold. But currently, guys, pay attention, I'm saying gold, I'm very strong on buys. I'm very confident on taking buys on gold at the moment, right? Because if we look at the structure, gold really is bullish, man. It is bullish because this was the last low, and now the new low is not lower than the last low, so we have a higher low, right? We have a higher low currently, and I do believe we could be seeing a higher high anytime soon, right? Yeah, because that's how the market looks at the moment. So going maybe to a smaller time frame like the 4-hour. Now this is for the week. Now we want to see for the week that we are approaching, how can we then maximize from the market, and how did I maximize the week of last week? So the week of last week, gold was ranging at this level. Let me delete this one here. It's causing a lot of conflict. I can't see clearly. Gold was here, right? Let me indicate with the box here. Gold was moving at this range box right here, right? And how I traded it, there's a video that I posted before the one that is already posted. Before the analysis video, there's a video about gold recap. I was really making a killing, man. I took one loss. One loss was somewhere right about here, and the rest, man, was in profit. So there was sells and buys and sells and buys. I was really making a lot, maximizing from this market. Though when the market opened on Monday, I was really looking forward to the market pushing above that resistance, and I was like, from that resistance, man, I'm taking buys only, because with this week right here, if we can go, okay, no, we're gonna go. I did take a buy, and I'm going to show you. I did take a buy, though it didn't go accordingly, right? Just that week right there. It can be clearer on the smaller time frame. Okay, let's do like this. Now the 1 hour time frame. So this is what gold did to me. My first loss of the week, it was when gold went up and then retested, and I was like, okay, from here we are going bullish. And then I took that buy. Unfortunately, it came back into the range, but again from the range it retested. I took a sell, I took a buy, I took a sell, and then again here I lost. But already I had took a sell here that gave me money, and a buy here that gave me money. So I wasn't really much complaining. Out of 5 trades, I only lost 1, right? So it's really a good one. It's really a good risk to reward, and it's very good to grow any sort of account, right? Big or small. So currently gold is here. It went up. I believe this was NFT, right? Yeah, non-farm payroll, I believe it was. I really don't trade fundamentals, but I did check that there was those events coming. So this was maybe it, right? So now gold respected that level, and I took a sell from that level, and it went straight to take profit. This was my take profit, and then I was out of the market. So currently gold came back inside the range. So it looked like it was out of the range, but it came back inside the range. So since well it's inside the range, I'm looking at it from this perspective, right? Before it went out, it created this as a level of support. It didn't come here to get its support here. It took it from here, right? It made the first here, second time here, and looks like this was the third time. So this could be our new support, right? So hence now I have this thing here. So I'm waiting for gold when the market opens to maybe come just very low, which I'm willing to take that drawdown, but then I'm expecting a bullish market. But if it ever happens that the market man, I'm risking a good one. This is a good one, really, it is a good one. But if ever the market doesn't, this is 1:4 risk to reward. But if it ever breaks below here, then I know I'm gonna wait for it to come right at this level, and then most probably I'm going to enter for another entry at that level. But currently I'm following price. Remember, we don't make price, we follow it. So we shouldn't trade like we are pros in the market. What is the market currently doing? Where is price currently at, and how can you maximize at that time? That's the mindset that I have when I go to the market. I never try to do things my way, the way I think they will. This is a game of probabilities, guys. You are never correct 100%, and you are never wrong 100%. You just need to analyze and be confident with your analysis. So this is what I'm looking for the week, guys, and I hope this video I hope you find this video very informative. If you do, man, please just give me a thumbs up, man. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that when I post another video you get notified. I believe that's just about that. This is what I'm looking for on gold for the week that we are approaching. And yeah, man, the rest we're gonna discuss during the week, because I'll be doing a follow-up, maybe creating other videos just to give a little update if it broke below or broke above, and what we can do to adjust in the market current movement. So yeah, man, thank you for watching. I'm out.